brother Muhammad Ali, may Allah have mercy on him. And he was asked, what would you like people to remember you as? What would you like people to say about you after you've passed away? So he said, I'd like for them to say that he took a few cups of love, which we all need in Ramadan, the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the love of one another, to clear our hearts from people, to remove the grudges, so that we can focus our hearts on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which is why we are told to do away with the grudges. He said he took 1 tablespoon of patience. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls Siyam in the Quran, He calls fasting patience. وَاسْتَعِينُوا بِالصَّبْرِ وَالصَّلَاةِ. Seek closeness to Allah with your patience and with your prayer. 1 teaspoon of generosity. Ramadan is the month of sadaqah. It taught us to give even when we're uncomfortable. We were bombarded with fundraisers for our own good, to disconnect ourselves from the dunya as we simultaneously learned that happiness does not come from it, because we were finding a different type of tranquility within Ramadan. 1 pint of kindness. تَبَسَّمُكَ بِوَجْهِ أَخِيكَ صَدَقَةً. Smiling in the face of your brother is a charity. One of the most beautiful things that we take from that month, the Ramadan recipe, the moments of sweetness and suhoor and an iftar with one another. The jokes that we tell with one another. It's halal, it's from the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. 1 quart of laughter. How many moments of laughter did you share with your brothers and sisters in this month? How many special moments did you have this Ramadan? How many people will you walk up to after salah and give a hug after this Eid khutbah, knowing that you just went through something special together? Remembering those moments of joy. This masjid will be filled with laughter inshaAllah ta'ala after this khutbah. And guess what? The masjid should be filled with smiles and laughter. It's not just a Ramadan thing. It's halal to be happy in the masjid. It's halal to laugh in the masjid. It's halal to smile in the masjid. They used to do so in the time of the Prophet ﷺ. But what is the unhealthy laughter? The one that the Prophet ﷺ said causes you to ignore the reality of your existence and the existence of the world around you. And so 1 quart of laughter, but 1 pinch of concern. You still have empathy. And you still think about those other than you. And then he mixed willingness with happiness. And he added lots of faith. And he stirred it up well. Then he spread it over a span of a lifetime. And he served it to each and every deserving person that he met. That's the Ramadan recipe. That's the Muhammad Ali recipe. That's the recipe of the Prophet ﷺ. Let's normalize this recipe in our lives.